This is Soulliere with Lexus Las Vegas, located at 6600 West Sahara. Telephone number 702-942-6600. What I'd like to talk about today is a feature you may or may not know about on all of our IS models, and that is the back seats do come down. What you have to do is just release it, trunk release, and then in the back here, where it says lock and unlock, you switch it down to the unlock portion of it, then you come back around, and all you have to do is on the seat here at the very top, just collapse it down and the back seat folds down. This is a great feature if you have some extra stuff you need to put in your car, maybe some skis or extra long golf clubs, whatever it is, and big golf bags you can fit in the back seat of the trunk. For more information about this car and other exciting features it has, please contact me at 702-942-6600. Thank you.